today's video we are going to do a clean with me vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the video to the end. Do also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment down below, like and share. So far I'm going to clean the bedrooms. I'll first start with this one. There are 2 bedrooms here. So first one. Hey, why the lighting have? The lighting is really bad, but we'll manage. This place is so messy. Let me just show you guys how this place looks like. Let me close the door and stand at the corner. Yeah, so this is the room. This is how the room looks like. This is a big bed. You can actually position it into a big bed, and this is a couch. That's a couch. So I have to clean all this one because of the parking and everything. They were in a hurry, so they didn't really have time to get. So it was so scattered. Everything is so scattered. So I'll just clean, then go to the next room and clean up. So that's also like I just have a lot of work to do today. And this is the next room I'm going to clean, and that's my bed over there, and just my stuff. I'm going to wash them. Yeah, I just have to clean everything. There's towel. Just have a lot of things to do. It's just a lot. So I'll clean these 2 rooms first, then we'll take it from there. Before I clean the rooms, I'll fold the stuff on the dry line, then I'll clean the rooms because I have to create space for myself in case I want to pass. I don't want to get hurt. So yeah, let me position the camera, then vlog everything for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done clearing the place so I could have some space to do some stuff, So right now I'm going to the rooms to clean. I got my rubber buckets of water. I guess I'll use this to mop. So yeah.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my
Squatting alone is an exercise. Yeah, so guys, I'm done cleaning the first room. Wow. The squatting alone is an exercise, I tell you. Okay, yeah, let me show you guys how the room looks like now. It's perfect. Yeah, okay, so this is how the room looks like. Yeah, a couch here, a big bed here. So any visitor that wants to come and visit me, you can come. Okay, you can visit me. You can change this to a couch and change this to a big bed. Yeah, so this is the finished look of the room. Let me go and clean the other room. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so for this room, it's my room and my niece's room. So when she was also leaving, she also packed her stuff herself, and she also made a mess, so I have to clear everything. For my part, it's already clean, it's just my bag, and so I have to clean her part, this her part, so I have to clean her part. Then I kept my laundry here, so I'm going to wash them first before I continue. So guys, I'm done cleaning the second room. Let me show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so this is the second room. I cleaned the floor, laid my bed, packed her toys. Yeah, that's all for the second room. There's nothing much here. It's just to clean the floor, in the bed, the corners were dirty, so I cleaned it, and that's all. Laid my bed, that's all. There's nothing else. So we'll clean the, we're going to scrub the bathroom now. Mirror, hi. The tap, spoons, like everything. I have to clean everything now. Yeah, so tired. Just 2 rooms I cleaned. Look at me, I'm tired. And if I finish everything, all happen to me, I'll become so weak. Yeah. Alright, let's start. I'm right here. There's even glass in the bathroom. Hey! I didn't even see it until now. Are you kidding me? Hey! The bathroom is dirty. Okay, so let me place the tripod just over here. So this is the bathroom. I'm done cleaning the bathroom. It looks so nice. Yeah. Ooh, now let's do the living room. Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning the living room. I'm going to wash those, remove that from there. Yeah, so I'm left with just the kitchen. I'm done mopping everything. It's perfect. Oh my god, done before. Let's go clean the kitchen. Yeah, so this is where I'm going to end. Hey, let me pause this thing before they give me copyright. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to end the video here. Please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog or video. Bye.